Yo, Zan, what we doing? Yo, what up, what up, what up? Wait, do that again. I'm gonna swing it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh!
You get on the side.
Yo, Russell, what are we doing? Pizza!
Dude, I just
Actually, get her bouncy and then switch again.
Oh, it's video.
Selfie cam!
Can we get some money though?
She did the old school mod. She did the 1920s, yo. She did the French, the original. You know, black and white, face paint and shit like that. You really want to feel like...
Do I give up my seat or no?
Exaggerated. That is exaggerated, girl. One more. No, what are you doing? What's going on?
Up and down.
As in, check her out. Up and down.
Okay.
Are you okay, Zen?
Are you ready? Oh, wait, hold Action. Thank you very much.